girls are awake, but Noga is still asleep, so I'm whispering because I don't want to wake her up. None of the girls are outside. I will get dressed and I will sit outside a little bit by myself until the girls will wake up. Good morning! As you can see, I'm wearing different clothes. We're going to the beach right now. I'm taking my phone, that's why the quality of the video is a little bit different. And in the morning, I told you that I'm going outside to sit by myself. But the girls were awake upstairs. We made some breakfast and we ate together. And now we're going to the beach. Everything that I'm wearing is from Shein. The cover up and the bikini. Let me try. Oh wow, it's really good. Oh, it looks good. How is it? You like it? We just got back to the villa from the beach and I'm getting cotton board because we are making some lunch. We're making some chips and I think pasta or rice. I don't know. I don't remember what we talked about. I don't really know how to cook. So I'm doing what they're telling me to do. So I'm getting them the cutting board so we can cut the potatoes. It's a little bit messy because we've already been here for a few days, but look how pretty the place is. We got this huge pool. We got this bed, this tanning bed, and we got these tanning beds, and we have a small playground. And right there and upstairs, my friends are sleeping. And right here, this is mine and Noga's room. The villa is really beautiful and we're having so much fun. The whole place looks so good and so aesthetic. If you're looking for a place that is Instagram worthy, you can take so many pictures in here. The whole place is beautiful and the inside it's really pretty as well. I just took a shower. Talia just joined me. We were on the beach today. Nam and I ate toast and we drank cocktail. You drank the porn star as well. What did you eat? She ate chips and she drank the same drink as us. On the way back we went to a supermarket and we got some groceries for lunch and for tomorrow. What are we doing tonight?
Making dinner.
We're making pasta, doing girls' night. It's our last night. Tomorrow we're going back to the city and then we're flying back. Okay, so I'm gonna start organizing my luggage right now because it needs to be done. And guys helping me. Thank you guys. Nam and Gaia bought this, so we're trying it. It's huge. Wow. Oh my god, ew. You want to try? Cheers! She likes it. I thought it would be like an ice cream cone. It's not like an ice cream cone. I hate it. So last night we're doing face masks now. Oh my god! So all of the girls took off the mask because they burn their face in the sun, so it's burning where they burn their face. I still stayed with it, but I'm gonna take it off right now. Oh my god, it actually feels so good. Good morning. Good morning. We have a few hours until we're leaving. It's 9 a.m. and we're leaving at 12 p.m. So we're trying to catch as much sun.
Coffee in the morning.
I want this view forever. Good morning! Morgen! Good morning! We just had breakfast and now we're checking the whole villa to see if we forget anything because the next group is already here. The check-ins are at 2 p.m. and it's only 11:30 and they're already here. And then we're gonna drive back to the city for a few hours and then to the airport. That's the room tour. Here's Laura. This was Laura's and Talia's room. Very pretty. That's the view. I'm gonna do a quick one. Here's the living room. We had a TV. Here we ate. You saw that. Here's my banana. This was Orit's and Maya's room. This is the bathroom. That was Gaia's and Mom's room. Their view, it was really, really beautiful. And here is the kitchen. Say hello. Wow, hello, hello. Here is the outside. We ate here breakfast most of the times. We sat here. I took a banana. I took the last banana that was left in the villa. Our ride is here. So we're going back to the city. Thank you. Oh, this is mine as well. We're at the market right now. I got my dad a bottle of olive oil. The bottle is really, really pretty. Yeah, we're just looking around right now. We are seeing if you want like last minute gifts. And yeah, that was say hi. Hi! Thank you very much.
We want the red velvet one. Yes. And
the crepe with white chocolate and strawberries. Yes. Thank you. Wow. Yum. Red velvet here.
Thank you.
This is the red velvet one. This is the crepe. This is what we got. Looks so good. Wow. Wow. Give us a review. Wait. Okay. They ordered a chocolate cake and it was really, really dry. And they didn't want to switch the cake for them. They said that they will have to pay even though they won't eat it. The weather was nice, but the manager was not really nice. The crepe was really, really good, but the cake was very, very dry and hard and they hated it. So they ended up switching it to something not really good, but better. But they hated it as well. So don't go eat at the Little Cook. She's debating which one. Which one do you like? She likes everything. I chose this one. Maya has it and Noam has it. And now I will have it. This is the bag Noam bought. Show us.
Third one I bought.
Yes.
You have more space here and more zipper here. for pets and stuff.
Nice. It's a huge bag. Can I have the cheese toast? Do you have like the pink drink or something like that? Yes. What does it have in it?
Strawberry acai and coconut milk.
Okay, let's try. The middle one.
Your name? Tal.
Tal. Yes. Thank you. This is my favorite Oreo, so I'm taking 2 because 2 is 30%. So I'm taking 2. Thank you. שהתחרטו. Oh my god. Finally, let us see.